All right, get ready to completely change how you think about your BattleBot. There's a massive update coming, and trust me, it's all about putting you in the driver's seat. So let's break down exactly what this means.
And hey, they are not exaggerating one bit. This one line pretty much sums up everything we're about to dive into. We're looking at two game-changing things here. First, total creative freedom. And second, a gameplay experience that's just, well, a whole lot faster and smoother.
So first things first, let's talk about the biggest piece of this update, making the bot yours. For real this time. This whole revamp is about letting you express yourself, letting you build a unique battle identity right from the very beginning.
And look, this goes way beyond just changing your bot's name. We're talking deep, deep personalization. Just think about it. You can name your own special attack, come up with a custom taunt for your shield. You could even set a unique attack phrase that only shows up when you're fighting your biggest rival. This isn't just an update. It's turning the entire battle arena into your personal canvas.
Okay, so having a cool custom bot is one thing, right? But what about how it actually feels to play? Well, the second half of this revamp is all about making the game faster and way more intuitive. These are the kinds of changes that make every single action feel instant and seamless.
You know the single biggest thing that slows you down in a heated battle? Typing. This update practically gets rid of it. So instead of scrambling to type out commands, all the key actions, like using your shield, healing up, tossing a grenade, are now just one-click buttons. This change alone is going to make battles feel so much more fluid and lightning fast.
Now, for all of you server owners and event organizers out there, listen up, because this next one is a total game changer. There's a new command called Auto Battles, and it lets you automate the entire battle process from start to finish. No more babysitting registrations or starting games by hand. You can literally set it and forget it.
And the process couldn't be simpler. You just type the command, a registration window pops up for all the players, and the bot takes it from there. It's a completely hands-free system, and it's designed to save admins a ridiculous amount of time.
With all this battling going on, things are bound to get more competitive. So the big question is, how do you stack up against everyone else? Well, this update is rolling out brand new stat tracking tools, so you can finally measure your performance and fight for that top spot.
It all starts with the classic /leaderboard command. This will give you a quick, server-wide snapshot of who's at the top. You can see in an instant who you need to take down to claim that #1 rank.
But if you really want to dig into the details, the /mystats command is what you're looking for. This gives you a complete breakdown of your personal battle history. It's perfect for tracking how you're improving over time and figuring out which of your strategies are actually working.
All right, let's switch gears for a second and talk directly to the server owners. This update also comes packed with a powerful new set of tools built specifically to give you more control over how the BattleBot works in your community.
Admins are getting a whole new suite of powers here. You can now reset a battle if it gets bugged, clear out all the custom settings if you want a clean slate for an event, and even turn battle thumbnails on or off. And here's a big one, you can give specific users permission to run battles without making them full admins. That's a huge deal for flexible server management.
Okay, everybody, listen up. This is the part you really need to pay attention to. With an update this big, there are a couple of really important next steps that you need to know about.
This is the magic number, 24. This entire update, everything we've just talked about, is going live in the next 24 hours. And that means there's a really tight window for any games you've got going on right now.
And here it is, the most important thing you need to do. If you have any battles that are pending, you have to run them now. As soon as the update is live, the old games might not work anymore. Seriously, don't risk losing them. Get them finished today.
And then, once the update is live, the developers really want to hear from you. The new system is designed to be modular, which means your suggestions could actually shape future events, roles, and features. So please, jump in, try everything out, and let them know what you think.
So that's the whole shebang. With this whole new world of customization right at your fingertips, from custom attacks to unique banners, the bot is basically a blank canvas. And that really just leaves one question. What are you going to create first?